everyone, I'm Erica. I'm a professional martial art athlete. I represent India internationally, and today I want to talk about one of the biggest concerns now in our society, that is about the safety for girls and as well as boys, young as well as the youth or the elderly. So today I want to talk about this topic, and I want to tell each of the parents and the ones who can take to do some physical activities, especially targeting martial arts, because in nowadays in our society today there's a lot of kidnapping, there's a lot of rape, there's a lot of molestation, and there's a lot of these things. So if you put yourself in martial arts, there are many benefits, but few of the benefits are the major benefits are your confidence. You have a different confidence in yourself, not because you practice martial arts, but because you know if you are attacked by someone, you know how to fight back. You're confident on yourself. Second is presence of mind. There's once you start martial art, there's a different presence of mind in one's body, because mind and body gets united. So when you train martial arts, before fighting uselessly and before asking for help for someone else to help for you, with a presence of mind you can see the scenario and you can escape and not to get into fight and stay away from it. So yes, these are two major benefits I want to tell. And yes, nowadays because of there's a lot of technology, our physical activity is going really low. I want to tell all of you all to join some physical activity. And yes, I wanted to join martial art, not just self-defense course, because self-defense course, it is a good initiative, but you need to know how to fight. Not every time the attacker will come in one way only, and definitely the self-defense are online. So if you enroll your kids and yourself for martial art, only to the professional teachers and not just to everyone who you see around, because there are many people in India, in the world, who is doing martial art but not the actual martial art, how martial arts need to be practiced.